Hi there, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. It's time for your phonics lesson. All right, so you are going to listen to me first, then you're going to repeat. We're going to start with rhyming, okay? 6 fix, 7 11, 8 gate, 9 fine, 10 again. Awesome. Next one is our onset fluency. I'm going to say a word and then the first sound that goes with it, then it's your turn. 10 t, bite b, fish f, little l, right All right, next one, you're going to need your choppers because we're going to chop up some words, all right? Watch me first, then it's your turn. Ein, 9. T, en, 10. G, ought, got. Ish, fish. Id, did. All right, the next one, we're going to punch out our final sound, okay? So we're going to say the word and then punch the final sound. Watch me, then it's your turn. 8, t, 9, once, s, laugh, f, did, d. Very good. All right, the next one you're going to need those choppers again. This time we're going to say the word first, then we're going to chop it into pieces. Watch me, then it's your turn. Ham, am. Nap, app. Pick, ick. Sun, un. Far, ar. Great. Now we're going to be adding phonemes. So you're going to have a word. We're going to start with one part, and then you're going to add a part, and we're going to say the whole thing. Listen to me first, and then you repeat. L, add b, bell. L, add f, fell. L, add t, tell. L, add well. L, add s, sell. Very good. Now we're going to delete. So you need to hold a little piece of the word, a word in your hands, and we're going to take away a piece of it. All right, your word is sock. Without s, what's left is awk. Talk. Without t, what's left is awk. Rock. Without what's left is awk. Dock. Without d, what's left is awk. Lock. Without what's left is awk. Very good. All right, so yesterday we started a rhyme here, and we are going to learn the next 2 lines, all right? You're going to listen to me first, then it's your turn to say them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Great job. We will learn more of this rhyme tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.